Yesterday's trade was embarrassing, but this morning's trade was amazing. Let's do a trade recap on this morning's trade. What's good, YouTube? I'm Royal, and I want to share you some results from yesterday's live trade where I lost almost $400. That was like $300 and some change on yesterday's live video. Feel free to check out that video. What made this trade even worse is I tried to revenge trade. I tried to get back in the market and make some money back, and I ended up losing even more money than just the $300 or something of that trade. I ended up pushing my loss for yesterday, negative $604.95. But this morning's trade was totally different. I closed out this morning's trade with $671.45. Now, after yesterday's trade and revenge trading, I knew that I had to add a little size on today's trade. So here's live footage of me inside of this trade. As you can see, price was pushing down. I got in initially right here and I saw price pushing down, so I got out instantly. I was like, okay, it's not ready yet. Price ended up coming down to this gap right here. It didn't fill it all the way, but I did get in right here, knowing that price would probably fill this gap and then bounce off. So I got this perfect entry right here, and I gave myself a little bit of safety margin, a 44 tick stop loss, and price started pushing up. I was slowly moving my stop loss up to secure some profits. And as we got near this high, I'm checking the line chart. I like using the line chart. It simplifies price for me. And I'm seeing it's chopping around here. And I was hoping that it would break this high and tap my take profit. It did not. Ended up kicking me out of the trade, which was okay because we ended up getting out of this trade with $671.45. A great trade, which made up for yesterday's loss. So I went in heavy this morning and I pulled out some nice profits. And as you can see, this is my actual TradingView account. And I'm trying to get in the habit of selectively adding size to certain trades. And yesterday, of course, it did not work out for me. But this morning's trade was really good. It stopped me out in $671.45. I was hoping we could get that 100 ticks. That would have been an $800 day. That would have been a very nice trade. But I'm very satisfied. As you can see, the ending results right here, it didn't create a new high, but it created an equal high because I got stopped at the red line. I got about 58 pips pretty much. And then as you can see, price just plummeted and then dumped. And I probably should have sold because as the buyers took their profit and created more sell orders that just totally tanked the market. This would have been another good trade right here. This might even be about buying opportunity right here, but I'm not going to get back in. I'm done for today. And we're continuing 5 weeks of profitable trading. 5 weeks of profitable trading. We still got to hit that $3,000 profit target, but we're no longer down $600. We're back in profit, $66.50. So this morning's trade was really nice. I usually don't go that heavy, but sometimes I think you need to because I don't want to be in this evaluation for, and this is on my new account, but I think I've been on my last evaluation for about a month. So that's all I got for you. I'm a real trader. I don't have a course to sell you. I'm just getting it out the mud and trying to capitalize on the daily moves. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.